Hi, good evening to all.
Good evening.
Okay, so the next one is date function. Are you able to view my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I just drag and drop order date as a column. Then after that, because today we discuss about date function. So I create the calculation field, go to analysis, then create calculation field. So here I'm simply type date. So date is the inbuilt function. You can type date. So it's showing what is the result of date. So it return the data given number string or data expression. For example, date of, you can give year, month, date, hour, minutes. So return the date format. Okay. We can give directly. You can give the, for example, here I directly give date of order date. I'm directly give the column name. Then close the bracket. Okay. Okay. So listen, it written the year values. Year. Okay, so calculated date it written. What about 2015 and 2016? Because I'm selecting year of call date. For example, I want to change quarter basics. It taking first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, fourth quarter. Because I'm simply apply the date functions. Okay. So the next one is date name. The next one is date add. So it adds the specified. So it adds the increment to the specified date and return the new date. Okay, for example, we can give the date part and we can mention the interval date also. Okay, for example, like this month and 3, then year. Okay, so based on the month is the date part. Okay, which part you want to add, interval 3, so it will be written 2004-07 because it added 3 months from this particular year. Okay, so I just mention order date, order date, month, comma 5 comma order date. Month, then 6 comma order date. Okay, so second one is so I'm directly give the column name order date. So whatever order date, it will be added 6 months. Okay, so order date contain, for example, order date contain January. So it adding 6 months, then it return the results. Okay, so calculation. Okay, looks like this graph. So actual month is January, but we gave 6. So January to July, February to August, March, September. Okay. Any doubts? Any doubts?
Ma'am,
Mm.
ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Yeah.
What is the purpose? Why we do this, ma'am?
Actually, the purpose is we can getting date related concepts. Okay, so if you have the data, now you want to analyze after 6 months, after 7 months, so what is the result, so what is the month, if you want to find out in whole data. So this is simply here we can use only 10 rows. Okay, but if you are calculate with the multiple rows, we can use these functionalities. And if you want to find out difference between two dates, so how many dates from day to end date, so how many dates available or month available or day available, we can find out this. So
Okay, thank
manual
you.
calculation is difficult if you are using 10,000 row, 20,000 row. Okay, so after applying this function, then we convert into graphical.
Can you explain real world example more?
Real world example. So if you have the data, so this is your data. Okay, this is the data, right? Order date. So listen, order date have we have under order date year based, month based is there. Okay, but if you are simply drag and drop, so it's showing this order date as quarter one, quarter two because this is year basics. Okay, so now I want to find out what about the relationship between these two dates. Okay, so from 2015 to 2016, between how many months, in between how many months, I want to find out this. So we can using the inbuilt function. Okay, so this is the inbuilt function. We are not creating anything. It's already there. Just we can apply the functions. Okay, or else I want to find out only from 2016. I want to getting only the month. Okay, not date and all, only I want to get the month, so we can easily find out what about the month of order date.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So day is the, it return the given data as a integer. Okay, so we can give the date, it return the integer values. For example, say return the integer values, sum of call date. So the next one is date name. So return the part of the given date as a string. Okay, so here we can give month and date. So return string format. Okay, so I can use month. Return the month format. Okay, got it. month form. So next one is date different. Date different, return the difference between two dates from start date to end date. Okay. So for example, I want to calculate the our data with the today date, connecting with the today date. Okay. So I mention as a month format. So month, then starting date and the ending date. So here, for example, I want to do the specific color. So you can change the color. For example, date name. So size you can change. Okay. You can change the shape also. Area, circle. Listen, it only changes to this calculation day because I'm applying particular calculation field. For example, pie format, Gantt chart, density, polygon. Okay. changing this shape also. Okay. If you want to edit the sheet name, you can edit it here. Date function. Can change the format also. Okay. Then we can convey into, for example, this is worksheet. We can convert into presentation format. Okay. So here you can highlight it. This is highlighted. For example, if you want to highlight only the April month, it will be visible. Only April related. Okay. Okay, so this is presentation format. we can apply highlighted here. Okay, highlighted means highlighted the particular values. For example, year order date, so it will be highlighted only the year values. So under year can give 2016, so it written only 2016 record. Okay, any doubts? Any doubts? Hello. Okay, now open your Tableau and start to work out this and convert into presentation format. Okay. Yeah, I shared my file. Please go through the files and work out. So your assignment is you can try now under date function.